So here we have a sample web page, a sample course that you or I are a TA on. So we have the permission of editing, and currently editing is turned on. Now if we turn it off, as we've discussed earlier, some of the things are going to disappear. So we're unable to do some things to the boxes, and this is how a student will be viewing this web page. Now let's turn it back on. So we will use the navigation box as an example of what you can do with the other boxes. Now as a student, you can expand or minimize it, or you can dock it. Now docking is something that we talked about in the earlier section on permissions and users with the administration box. So once it's docked, you can make it undock, and so it's here again. Now what can you do in the editing? You can move the box around, and you can configure it. So you go to the actions, and then you press configure navigation block, and then you go ahead and you configure the block. There are some block settings here that we cannot change due to permissions, and this is where this block appears. These two, well, all three of these are settings you can change for every single block. So the original block location, display on page types, default region, default weight. And the original block location says system, which means that this is a block that is present on all of the courses. You can select whether it is visible or not and where it is located. So save changes. Here, now you know how to deal with blocks.